Just doubled up. I just threw one back and my rod just went down. Got a carp. This might be a good carp, y'all. He's way out there. Bro, he's way out there. Holy shit. You see how far he is? Take my time, take my time. Come on, fish. What you doing? This might be a big carp, y'all. This might be a PB right here, possibly. Oh, snap. He's running. He's running. He's running. Oh, shit. Holy hell. Look at that motherfucker.
This is your PB card.
Just let him run. Come here, fish. What you doing? Hold on. I'll bring him to you. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go!
Holy shit.
Let's fucking go, bro!
Woo! That's a carp right there, bud. That's a fucking carp. Chat. Chat. Do y'all see this fish, y'all? Chat. Holy crap. Oh my god. $31.08. Alright, come on. Let's get a picture. Alright, come on. Let's get a picture real quick and then put him back. Holy shit. Are you getting my whole body? I feel like you're too close.
You don't have 0.5 This nigga just pinged me.
Alright, y'all. He's going back. This is slab right here. 31-pound carp.